In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down real estate agents' ads to figure out which ones suck, which ones are great, and how you can start implementing them into your business for you to start generating more qualified buyer and seller leads. Okay, here we go. This is the first type of ad that I see 90% of all the real estate agents I work with post. Just by looking at this right away, this sucks. So the real estate agent posted all the photos, gave away all the details, posted the price, posted the location. All of the information they had on the specific property, they posted it in a post and they boosted it or they run an ad on Facebook, right? And what's going to happen in this case scenario, someone's going to click on it. If someone's slightly interested, they're going to send you a message that says, can you send me over the price and plans? Can you send me over the details? Agent's going to get excited. Yes, I do lead. They send them all the information and then guess what? You get ghosted. You end up looking like this guy, waiting around all day for them to respond back to you, minus all of his money. So why does this type of post not work? If you're running ads like this, you are literally burning your money, right? Because you're not building up a database and you're not building up a lead list. You're just hoping someone who wants to buy that property actually sees it with your little budget you're putting into it. That's hardly ever going to happen. And if it does happen, you're very lucky. All the details of that property are posted in the ad. There's no anticipation, there's no way for you to follow up and nurture that lead, and you are not building up your database. If you're actually posting on social media like this, stop what you're doing, watch this full video for me to explain to you how you can actually optimize it. What's the most important thing and the only asset every real estate agent owns? Your database. Make sure you are feeding it, working on it, and actually nurturing it every single day. And if you're running posts like this, which is just giving away all the information and not asking for the lead information, you are not going to be able to build up your database. So I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing and small tweaks you should be making in order to actually start building up your database more effectively. So step one is always creating an offer or a lead magnet in your ads. So let's take an example of an individual property, right? Rather than posting all of the information, all of the photos, the plans, the prices, and giving away all of that information, what you want to do is start teasing that information. You want to choose the best photos of that property, put them into one image, and then what you want to do is create a property brochure. And inside this brochure will have all the details of the property. It will have the photos, the plans, the prices, the layouts, and all of the information they want. But in order to get access to the brochure, they have to fill out a form with their name, their email, their contact number, their budget, and when they're looking to purchase, right? And if you can do that and you use the right images, people who are interested are going to actually leave their contact details with you in order for them to get access to that brochure. So if you start doing this small tweak in your ads, you will start seeing your database grow instantly, and your ads will start becoming more effective because you're building up your database. So now I'm going to show you one secret that we discovered, which is some ninja shit that you can use and implement into your business for you to start generating more leads on the exact same type of ad you're running. What we do is we create a post that looks like a gallery on Facebook or Instagram, right? And people typically would want to click on that to open up the gallery to go to the different photos, right? But what we do is we tie that into a lead form. So the person browsing that showed interest wants to click on the photos to actually see the whole gallery of all of the images. But what happens is that they open up a lead form because we've designed the post to look like a gallery, but it actually isn't a gallery. I know it's a little bit sneaky, but dude, it fucking works. So here's another one. This person's trying to get seller leads, trying to get properties to list. And what they're doing is saying, here's a free property valuation, how we can help. Right? The thing is that works because there's a lead magnet and there's an offer, but the problem is everyone's doing it. Everyone's saying the same thing. I can give you a free valuation. I can give you a CMA. It's always the same thing over and over again. So how can you be different? What we train our clients is we need to lead with value first. How can we provide value to our marketplace? What are our dream clients typically going through? Now, when it comes to listing, it's typically they want to sell their home for the highest price in the shortest amount of time. So the lead magnet we see work best would be giving away a free seller's guide. And the free seller's guide would be, for example, these are the 5 tips for you to sell your home in the fastest and shortest amount of time. Follow these 5 tips to increase your home value within the next 20 days. Or increase your home value by X amount by just investing X amount in this amount of time. These are 5 money murdering mistakes people do when they list their home. You get the point. We don't want to be like everyone else. We want to provide value. And the whole idea is that you don't want to be desperate and looking to sell all the time. If you're just trying to provide value to the marketplace and someone who's looking to sell the home comes across your ad, clicks on it, you know that person's thinking of selling their home. Then you can engage with them, then you can show your expertise, and then you can build relationships and eventually try and list and sell the home with them. Okay, so here again, this is the exact same problem that we showed you with the first ad. You have a new development, it's a block of apartments with penthouses, whatever it may be, right? And what you're doing here is you're giving away all the information. Now, one small tweak that will completely change this for you would be, so in the ad itself, you just change it to the best photos of that specific new development. In the actual creative itself, you say download our free property brochure. And all you'd have to do is change the creative to look exactly like this. Here are just some examples of ads we've used that have generated thousands of leads that are basically the exact same thing that this person was running before, but moved into a lead magnet and changed into a way where we're holding back information, we're providing value with the brochure, and therefore we fill up our database with hundreds of leads who are interested. So hopefully by now you get the point. It's all about having offers, it's all about lead magnets, and it's all about providing value and not trying to sell and go to appointments right away. Right? We need to not be desperate, we need to be the experts, and we need to build relationships. Now, as soon as you start implementing these things into your posts and into your ads, you're going to quickly realize how easy it is to generate leads. But the hard part is, how can we convert a lead into an appointment? And the way we do it and the way we train our clients is two things. Is to have proper pipeline and follow-up systems in place, which you can automate through software, which we can show you exactly how to do, and have scripts ready for you to use. If you're not following scripts, and if you're not constantly updating your scripts and getting better and increasing your conversions through the way you're contacting your leads, then you're always going to stay the same. So it's super important to know your numbers, know exactly what your conversion rates are when you actually generate a lead and call them, how you can constantly optimize your scripts, optimize your reach outs, and optimize your follow-ups in order to start converting more leads to appointments. So that's it for today's video. If you want to get access to the exact ads and scripts we use to train hundreds of real estate agents on a daily basis, click on the link below. There's access to our free community that shows you a step-by-step on how to launch the ads, how to design the ads, gives you the exact copy to use, all completely for free. So click on the link below, join our free community, and I'll see you in there.